Good morning. Let's go to Thursday's market. Nifty ended up in the negative 11,301.80, 57.65 points in the negative, 0.51% in the negative. Opened around 11,322.40. Low went around 11,255.05. High went around 11,357.60. Let's go to my prediction review. In my prediction, I told that if anything breaks this particular 11,302 level, the downside is open, and at the same time it has went low around 11,255, which is almost average of these two levels. Around 11,262 it has broken, but somehow it has kept average in between these two support levels, because support level 2 has 2, and which means it is stronger in that particular area, but somehow the target is open. If anything breaks that 11,302, somehow it has recovered after that low and move towards to the positive side, but it is not able to break previous closing as well, 11,559. Even initially also it is not able to break this previous closing. After that downfall also, from the recovery also it is not able to break. At the same time, the crucial level is 11,370, which we need to watch. If anything below, then that market will fall once again. That is what I told, and exactly it has happened both times. It is not broken that previous closing. So initially also it has broken, I mean it has fall down from that particular 11,359 below that level, and after that recovery also it has fall down 50 points from that level and closed somewhere in the range of 11,301, which is in the support level 1. At the same time, the key average level 11,302. Let's go to the prediction for Friday. Friday, the ratio indicating positive 12 is to 6 and average indicating positive 3 is to 0, but weightage indicating negative 2.65 versus 2.87, which means it is almost evenly poised, but still the pressure is there in the market, so that is the reason it is indicating a downside on the weightage 2.87%, but absolute frequency indicating positive, which means market will try to recover from the low, no matter how low it goes today. So it is a kind of a day which is typically like the pressure, global pressure, and the continuous 4 to 5 days it has been, market is going downside. So so due to that reason, market may open in the negative. Somehow it yeah, today we can see some kind of a pullback, but still the pressure is there. So it may not go towards to, or some extent towards to the positive side. It may go up to 50-60 points in the positive. That is what it shows. The percentage which shows 73.67% chances to end up in the positive, 26.33% chances to end up in the negative. So the range which shows it is evenly poised, somehow the mid positive, that is what I'm talking about, 83 points in the positive side. So it may go up towards to some extent in the positive. It is breaking from that low of maybe mid negative some 30-40 points from that low, it has to recover. Otherwise, if it is not recovering, it may go once again bearish around 100 points. That is what it shows. Average 16 points it is showing in the positive, which means it may close in the flat positive as well. The range which shows that on the positive side, the key turning point around, which is having in the 11,456, that is the key point, which means 155 points. Anything above that level, then only market will stay in the positive. Anything below that particular point, market will once again correct from that high. That is what it shows. So we need to see those three levels. So these three levels are very important. Why? Because the range which shows that average itself, once again still it is indicating that same level which shown yesterday, 11,370 range. Anything breaks that level, which means 70 points roughly. So that particular level breaking and move towards to the support level, resistance level 1, which means 1172 and 73, these ranges, because we have 4 resistance level 1, which means market has stronger resisting level in those areas, which means the level of 11,370 to 11,377, those ranges, which means 10 to 20 points market will try to resist, no matter how positive it goes. So the chances may fall down once again after reaching that level is possible, but still keeping 10 points stop loss is advisable. Why? Because if anything breaks those level, market will try to move towards to the next level of 1% range. So that is also we need to watch, because it has a good chance to reach 11,390 if those levels are breaking. So we need to watch out this particular level of 11,370 range. But as per the SGX Nifty right now showing in the negative around 42 points, so we may go up to the range of support level 2 and average. This particular level it may go and get support from those two levels, 11,250. Anyone go for a buy? If anything breaks that level, it will go towards to the bearish once again. That is what it is indicating. 11,057 with the stop loss of 10 points. So you can go for a buy 11,247, keeping stop loss, and go for a buy. If anything breaks 11,230, then once again the target will be open. It may go to any extent, even 300 points also possible. There is no limitations. If anything breaks that 11,220, I mean 230, and stop loss of 10 points to 11,220 range. So those two levels we need to watch. If anything break those level, the target will be open 11,230 and 220. So we need to watch out and play cautiously. If anyone wants to buy 11,250 range, and they can initially book first target as 11,316, then the second target will be 11,370. Why? Because these are all the ranges which shows average. So if those resistor levels are not going to resist those level, then market will go towards to bullish. If anything resists in this particular level 11,370, market once again will fall. So we need to watch out and play cautiously. And one more key point is we have a gap in the absolute frequencies on those resistance level 1 and 2. So which means these two levels may strongly get resist, because we don't have absolute frequency on those ranges. So anything breaks that level, then only it will go to the bullish side. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.